Did you know that neuropathy isn't just something that happens to older adults? Most people picture someone in their 60s or their 70s dealing with numbness or tingling in their feet, but the truth is, neuropathy can affect anyone, kids, teens, young adults included. Welcome to Everything Neuropathy. I'm your host, Dr. Karen May. I'm a chiropractic sports physician, but most importantly, I'm a neuropathy survivor. Today is for educational purposes only, and talk to your doctor if you have any questions. Let's break down the stereotype. Yes, age increases your risk of neuropathy, especially with conditions like diabetes, but neuropathy is actually an umbrella term for nerve damage that can happen at any age. In fact, doctors are seeing more young people diagnosed with neuropathy than ever before. So, what's causing neuropathy in younger people? Autoimmune diseases are a major culprit. Conditions like celiac disease, type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, that can cause the immune system to mistakenly attack nerves, even in children and teens. Inherited disorders like Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease, these are hereditary, and they often show up in childhood or adolescence. Then there's infections such as Lyme's disease, Epstein-Barr virus, HIV, or even viruses like COVID, West Nile can trigger nerve damage in people of any age. Injuries, think from sports accidents, other accidents, or side effects from COVID and flu vaccines, even long periods of inactivity like sitting in a wheelchair can also lead to neuropathy in kids and young adults. Chronic illnesses like type 2 diabetes is showing up in younger people all the time, and that causes the same nerve damage like that in adults. So what are some of the symptoms? Honestly, they're often very similar as the older adults. Burning, tingling, stabbing pain, numbness, muscle weakness, trouble with coordination and balance. But because doctors used to think neuropathy was rare in young people, it's often missed or misdiagnosed. That means kids and teens might suffer months or years before getting the right diagnosis, let alone treatment. But let's talk about the real-life impact. Imagine a teenager who suddenly can't play soccer because of shooting pains in their feet, or a child who struggles to walk because their legs feel numb. These aren't just growing pains. They could be signs of neuropathy. So the next time you hear neuropathy, don't just think of your grandparents. It's a condition that can touch anyone at any age. And if you or someone you know, no matter how young, has unexplained pain, tingling, or weakness, talk to a doctor. Early diagnosis and treatment can make all of the difference. So let's spread the word. Neuropathy, it isn't just for the older population. It's for everyone. If you or your loved one is suffering with neuropathy, please give our office a call, 517-883-2291. Please share your journey with neuropathy because your relief, it starts here.